Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to explore the deadliest planets in the universe. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. When we look up at the night sky, we often feel a sense of wonder and awe. But amidst the twinkling stars and distant galaxies lie celestial objects that could spell doom for any unsuspecting visitor. We're talking about planets with extreme temperatures, crushing pressures, and toxic atmospheres that would make even the hardiest life forms shudder. So, get ready to explore the dark side of the cosmos as we uncover the secrets of these deadly worlds. Our first stop takes us to Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. Both planets are rocky, and they share a similar mass and diameter, making them almost mirror images in terms of physical characteristics. But don't let that fool you. Venus is a scorching inferno, a testament to the power of a runaway greenhouse effect. Unlike Earth, Venus's atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide, which traps heat and causes surface temperatures to soar. Imagine a planet blanketed in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, trapping heat like a furnace. That's Venus. These clouds are so dense that they reflect about 75% of the sunlight that hits them, making the planet appear bright and shiny from space. The surface temperature here can reach a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat is constant both day and night due to the thick atmosphere that evenly distributes the heat around the planet. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is also crushing, about 90 times that of Earth's. It's like being a mile beneath the ocean's surface. This immense pressure would instantly crush any human-made spacecraft that attempted to land without proper protection. And if you thought the heat and pressure were bad enough, the atmosphere is also incredibly toxic, filled with carbon dioxide and other noxious gases. The air is so thick with these gases that it would be impossible to breathe, even if the temperature and pressure were survivable. Venus serves as a stark reminder that even planets seemingly similar to Earth can harbor incredibly hostile environments. Despite its similarities to Earth, Venus is a world where life as we know it could never survive. It's a cautionary tale about the delicate balance of conditions needed for life as we know it. The differences between Earth and Venus highlight how a slight variation in atmospheric composition can lead to drastically different outcomes. But there's something captivating about Venus, a sense of mystery that draws us in. The planet's thick clouds hide its surface from view, making it a tantalizing target for exploration and study. Perhaps it's the knowledge that beneath those thick clouds lies a landscape shaped by ancient volcanoes and vast plains. These volcanic features suggest that Venus was once a geologically active planet, with lava flows and eruptions shaping its surface. Or maybe it's the sheer audacity of a planet so close to our own, yet so utterly alien. Despite being our closest planetary neighbor, Venus remains a world of extremes, with conditions that are both fascinating and deadly. Whatever the reason, Venus remains a fascinating and deadly world, a testament to the extremes that nature can produce. Its harsh environment serves as a reminder of the delicate balance required for a planet to support life, and the potential consequences of a runaway greenhouse effect. Next, we journey to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a behemoth that dwarfs all others with its sheer size and presence. This colossal giant is home to a swirling storm that's raged for centuries, a testament to its untamed and volatile nature. Jupiter is classified as a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it presents a vast expanse of gaseous layers that extend deep into its core. Composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, Jupiter shares a composition similar to that of a star, yet it lacks the mass to ignite nuclear fusion. But don't let its gaseous nature fool you. Jupiter is a force to be reckoned with, a majestic yet formidable presence in our solar system. The atmospheric pressure within Jupiter is immense, so intense that it would crush any spacecraft attempting to descend into its depths. This pressure increases exponentially as you go deeper, making it an inhospitable environment for any form of exploration. Imagine the weight of thousands of elephants pressing down on every square inch of your body. That's the kind of crushing force you'd experience within Jupiter's atmosphere, a relentless pressure that defies comprehension. And if you somehow survive the crushing pressure, you'd be met with winds that howl at hundreds of miles per hour, creating a chaotic and turbulent environment. These ferocious winds drive Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot, a storm system larger than Earth that's been raging for centuries, a swirling vortex of chaos and power. Jupiter is a planet of extremes, a swirling vortex of chaos and beauty, where the forces of nature are magnified to an unimaginable scale. It's a reminder that the universe is filled with wonders beyond our imagination, but also with dangers that lurk beneath the surface. Jupiter, with its majestic storms and crushing pressures, stands as a testament to the raw power and beauty of the cosmos, a place where dreams can be both inspired and crushed. Our cosmic journey now takes us beyond our solar system to Kepler-78b, an exoplanet located about 400 light-years away. This distant world orbits a star similar to our Sun, but the conditions on Kepler-78b are anything but familiar. This planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side always faces the searing heat, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. This creates a stark contrast between the two hemispheres, with one side experiencing eternal daylight and the other endless night. Kepler-78b orbits its star at an incredibly close distance, completing an orbit in a mere 8.5 hours. This rapid orbit is a result of its proximity to the star, which also contributes to the extreme conditions on the planet. This proximity makes the planet scorching hot, with surface temperatures estimated to be around 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit. At such high temperatures, the surface is not just hot, it's molten. That's hot enough to vaporize rock. The intense heat causes the surface materials to turn into vapor, creating a hellish environment. But the intense heat isn't the only danger on Kepler-78b. The planet is also bombarded with deadly radiation from its nearby star, which is much stronger than the radiation we experience from our Sun, making it incredibly hostile to life as we know it. The combination of extreme heat and radiation creates an environment where no known life forms could survive. Imagine a world where the sun never sets, where the ground beneath your feet is molten rock and the air is filled with deadly radiation. That's Kepler-78b, a planet that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the universe. Its extreme conditions challenge our understanding of planetary science and the limits of habitability. Despite its inhospitable nature, Kepler-78b provides valuable insights into the diversity of planets in our galaxy. Studying such extreme worlds helps scientists learn more about the formation and evolution of planetary systems. As we continue to explore the cosmos, planets like Kepler-78b remind us of the incredible variety and complexity of the universe. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the vast expanse of space. Hold on tight as we venture to HD 189733b, a gas giant located about 63 light-years from Earth. This planet is a mesmerizing blue, but don't let its beauty fool you. HD 189733b experiences some of the most violent weather patterns ever observed. Imagine winds that blow at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. That's fast enough to circle the Earth in just over 2 hours. But the wind is just the beginning. On HD 189733b, it rains molten glass, sideways. The planet's atmosphere contains silicates, which condense into tiny glass particles at high altitudes. These particles are then whipped around by the supersonic winds, creating a deadly hailstorm of molten glass. HD 189733b is a stark reminder that the universe is filled with wonders that can be as beautiful as they are deadly. Our final destination takes us to TRAPPIST-1e, a potentially habitable exoplanet located about 40 light-years away. This planet is part of a system of 7 Earth-sized worlds orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star. TRAPPIST-1e is located within the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could potentially have liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life. However, recent observations suggest that TRAPPIST-1e may have a very different atmosphere than Earth. Instead of a nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere like ours, TRAPPIST-1e may have a toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. These gases would create a thick, choking haze that would block out sunlight and make the planet extremely hot and inhospitable. While TRAPPIST-1e initially held promise as a potential second Earth, its potential toxicity serves as a reminder that the search for life beyond our planet is complex and full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the deadliest planets in the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. See you next time. From scorching temperatures to crushing pressures and toxic atmospheres, we've explored the dark side of the cosmos and witnessed the awe-inspiring power of the universe. Remember, while the universe is filled with wonder and beauty, it also holds hidden dangers that remind us of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting our own pale blue dot. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop searching for knowledge among the stars.